Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to Deja Vue Outdoors. Today I'm fishing this new lake that I pretty much found on Google Maps. Let's see how we do.
I guess I'm just gonna start right by the launch here. Work my way this way. I think I'm gonna start off with a chatterbait. Looks like bait fish or something. I see a lot of activity on the bottom. Crappies or something. Holy smokes. That's some pretty big marsh, man. Looks like weeds grow up to about like 6 feet. It's like half the water column. Ooh, got one. First one on. Oh, shoot, that was hella small. Alrighty. At least we know there's something here. Throw top water for a little bit. Jamaican boa. Little small one. I don't think though. Got one. Okay. Best one for the day. Chill. Nice one. Oh, got one. This is a good one. Oh, yeah, this is a good one. Yep. Another one. Dang. Pretty deep in there. Nice little small ones. Oh, wait, didn't that? Oh, that just felt weird. Damn it. I think this is done. I don't want to deal with it right now. Got one. Oh my god. That was a damn 2 or 3 pounder. Damn, that was a good one. Damn. Oh, got one. Oh, okay. Oh, came off. Damn it. Got the jig over there. Darn. That felt good. Okay. Oh, it's a good. That's a fish. Got one. That's a good one. What is it? Holy smokes. Oh my gosh, that's a big ass fish. That's a good one. Come here. Oh shoot, hell yeah. It's a good ass one. Damn. Yeah, hell yeah. Choked it. I'm not sure if this was the one I lost or not. It's a good one. I see. Too bad I lost the other one. 3, 4. Alrighty, here you go. Oh, okay. Guess you're good. Okay. Not the biggest one, but not the biggest one, but damn, a lot of what. Okay. Yeah, a lot of these sizes. Okay. Going. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. It's a good one. On the chatterbait. It's a good one. It's a good one. I'm just gonna flip. Oh, hell yeah. Same size. Damn, it's another good one. It's another good one. 3 pounds. 3.24. Okay. Not bad. Here you go. Go back. Come on, come on. Come on. There we go. Chased it up. Oh, damn, these small ones. Feisty as heck. There, nice one. Small as heck. Nice one?
Good.
Oh, came off.
Get your release. There's that spot on the lake right here.
Huh?
That spot on the lake.
Yeah, I caught 3 of them, but I lost 2 of them right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a pretty good spot. I think it's because they must have took out some of the weeds.
Yeah. You can go. I can go around you.
Oh no, I'm gonna fish for crappies. Keep going.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm done fishing for bass. I'm just fishing for crappies for a little bit. Are there good sizes in here?
Yeah.
Crappies.
I'm not sure. I mean, they're not. I don't know. I don't really know.
Okay.
I gotta fish bass all the time.
Okay. Sounds good. Well, I guess this is gonna end the trip for this this lake that I tried out this morning, and it's gonna do an outro a little bit earlier, but kind of got sidetracked from the gentleman that I was talking to at the launch. He says this lake right here has pretty good sized fish, so I will probably be returning to it, and probably not till the fall though. But I hope you guys like the video. Stay tuned, and we'll see where we go on the next episode.